Okay guys, we are going to go over the directions for today's independent work time. So you should be on our Schoology page. Click on week 13. Click on independent work. Here are the written directions for the independent work time. So I'd like for you to go to this website. You can just click right on the link, or you can copy and paste it. It should open in a separate browser page. I'd like for you to read and go through this. Going through, you can watch that video if you'd like. And then there's going to be 4 review questions. These will be on Schoology. So once you're done reading through that, you can leave this up as a reference. You're going to go back to your Schoology page. And then after you are done reading, answer 2 of the 4 questions in the discussion post. So you're going to click here, and then you can choose 2 of these questions to answer in the post, or write your comment, post it. You can come back to the folder, and then if you click on this next one is just a practice quiz to review that reading. So you can preview. Again, you can have this open if you want, and going through here. So that is where your independent work time is. The directions are written out, are also written out here too. And again, where I found that was in week 13. Week 13. If you go back out to our main page, it's right here, week 13. If you'd like to go over the PowerPoint we went over, a copy of it will be in this live lesson too. Let me know if you have questions.